Okay, this is part 2 of our discussion about phrases. And at the end of our video on prepositional phrases, we said that there are two kinds of prepositional phrases, the adjective phrase and the adverb phrase. So in this video, we're going to talk about adjective phrases. So here's that definition of an adjective phrase again. An adjective phrase is a prepositional phrase that modifies a noun or a pronoun. So in a nutshell, an adjective phrase acts just like an adjective. So here are some examples. The members of the club want sweatshirts with the club emblem. So there are two prepositional phrases here, of the club and with the club emblem. So let's look at how they're functioning in the sentence. Of the club is modifying members, which is a noun. So of the club is an adjective phrase. With the club emblem is modifying sweatshirts, which is a noun, which makes the prepositional phrase an adjective phrase. Okay, here are 3 additional notes about these adjective phrases. The first one, adjective phrases usually follow the nouns they modify. So this is a little different from the way that adjectives behave. So let's look at an example. In the first sentence, these are 2 very similar sentences. The first sentence is using an adjective. Amy closed the cellar door. So the adjective comes before the thing it modifies. In the second sentence, same meaning, using an adjective phrase. Amy closed the door to the cellar. To the cellar is modifying door, and you'll notice that in the adjective phrase, it comes after the thing it modifies, not before. Next one. More than one adjective phrase can modify the same word. So adjectives work very similarly. You may have 2 of them to describe one thing. So in the sentence, here's a letter for you from Aunt Martha. The prepositional phrases for you and from Aunt Martha are both modifying letter. So you've got 2 adjective phrases for one noun. And the last note, an adjective phrase may also modify the object of another prepositional phrase. So let's take a look. The horse in the trailer with the rusted latch broke loose. So you have 2 prepositional phrases here, in the trailer and with the rusted latch. The phrase in the trailer is modifying horse. Okay, that's pretty easy. So let's look at the second prepositional phrase. With the rusted latch is modifying trailer. It's telling us more about the trailer. So that second adjective phrase is modifying the object of another prepositional phrase. So at this point, I want you to stop the video and complete exercise 2 on your handout. When you've finished answering all the questions, press play again so you can see the answers, and then pause again so you can check them. And here are those answers. So this is the end of our introduction to adjective phrases. Next on the itinerary will be adverb phrases.